everybody. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do your Order the Planets paper. Normally we would have a middle page and we would put fun facts that we learned in class, but since we're all at home, we're just going to practice the order and we'll learn some fun facts along the way, okay? But today we're just going to do our notes and I'm going to take you step by step on how I want you to do it, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to color your little astronaut however you would like, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put the video on pause and I'm going to color my astronaut, but please make sure you outline and do your best work, okay? Because this is going to be your notes. Okay guys, so I have finished coloring my astronaut. So the next thing I need you to do is to grab your scissors and your glue, okay? So I'm going to give you all a little bit of time to grab that, okay? So you should have your glue and your scissors ready. So I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out where you'll be cutting, okay? So all the areas I don't mark, please try not to cut with your scissors, okay? So we're going to cut out all of our edges. All the way around, okay? Then you're going to cut on all of these dotted lines, okay? Okay, guys? So y'all should notice that right along this line here, there's no yellow. So what I'm going to do is get my red marker and I'll draw a line there so you know to stop when you get to that line. Okay? So I'm going to use red to let me know that I need to stop when I get to this line. Okay? So I'm going to put this paper to the side just so I don't mess it up while I cut, okay? So I'm going to take my time and I'm going to cut only where the yellow is. Now we don't need to rush. We're going to take our time and we're going to make sure that we do our best work, okay? Because we're not going to race. We just want to make sure that we're doing a nice job. Okay, so now I have all of this out. Next, what I need to do is I need to cut on my dotted lines where my yellow lines are, okay? So I want y'all to watch how I stop every time I get to the red, okay? So I'm going to take my time and cut as straight as I can until I get to the red. When I get to the red, it's not cut, see? And I'm going to do that with my next one. And then stop right at the red. Go to my next one. We're going to cut slowly and carefully, watching what we're doing, and stop at the red. We're going to cut slowly and nicely on this dotted line here. Then we're going to stop at the red. Do it again here. Slow and steady. Stop at the red. And cut. Slow and steady, making sure that I always remember to stop at the red, okay? So your paper should look like this, kind of like a little hula skirt. Now what I need you to do is you're going to grab this paper, okay? So right here, you're going to write your name and your date, and keep in mind that our dates might be different, okay? Okay, so I have my name and date there. The next thing that we're going to do, if you're using our liquid glue, you're just going to put a little bit of glue, little tiny bit. It's all you need to hold your paper down, okay? If you have stick glue, 1 or 2 little swipes should be enough, but please don't push hard because you'll waste all your glue. Then you're going to put the words Order of the Planets on top of the glue, okay? And then your paper should look like this. All right, so now that we have all of this done, we can look at our paper a little bit better. So here it says order of the planets, okay? And on this side, we have a little acronym to help us remember the order of the planets, okay? So an acronym is something that has words to help us remember things, okay? So here we have my very excited mother just served us nachos, okay? So now let's take a look. The word my starts with the letter M, okay? The first planet in our solar system, Mercury, also starts with the letter M. Our next word, very, starts with the letter V. The next planet in our solar system, Venus, also starts with a V. Our next word, excited, starts with the letter E. The next planet we have here is Earth. Earth also starts with the letter E. Our next word, mother, starts with the letter M, just like our next planet, Mars. Our next word, just, starts with the letter J. Our next planet, Jupiter, also starts with the letter J. Then we have the word served, which starts with the letter S. Our next planet, Saturn, also starts with the letter S. Next, we have the word us. This starts with the letter U. Our next planet, Uranus, starts with the letter U. And last but not least, we have the word nachos. Nachos starts with the letter N as well. And Neptune also starts with N. Sorry, guys. So this acronym can help us remember how to order our planets, okay? So you can save this for your notes, and when we go back to school, we can use this to help us remember in class, okay? Good job, everybody.